We wear our sleeplessness like medals, chase every new money trend, and salute ourselves for staying true to the grind. But at the end of the month, the rent still knocks, unpaid bills still threatens our sleep, peace of mind, and sanity. The average Nigerian can barely survive from the proceeds of the everyday hustle. The price of things in the market is flying higher than the super egos. Inflation is no longer just a number in a report, but a ghost that haunts our market list, bank balance, and future plans. Every day, millions of young Nigerians wake up to hustle, sweat, and repeat, but only a few can hit their chest in certainty that they are actually moving forward. The naira is fast becoming a secondary option in its own home, making us poorer by the day. While wages climb beyond the roof, materials for job execution are aiming for the stratosphere with full speed, leaving everyone in horror and desperation. According to the National Bureau of Statistics, 2022, over 133 million Nigerians are multidimensionally poor, not just in income, but in access to opportunities. The average Nigerian hustler would swear that they have tried almost everything to secure the bag, but the bag is becoming more expensive than it hems. Young Nigerian professionals have crawled through various quick money ideas, crypto, forex, website developing, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, graphic designing, video editing, shuffling between various serious and side hustles from Monday to Monday. It even gets worse. We have successfully given us a dreaded name in the global space for fraudulent activities and the most acclaimed Yahoo in the aim to secure the bag, but the naira keeps making a mockery of our hustle. More recently, our nation's greatest asset, talented professionals, have resolved to flee the sinking ship by traveling abroad to fight the notorious bully that runs the joint. This is even worse because home will always be home and we are wasting our virtues on borrowed sand. So while we are away searching for greener pastures, our virtues are being channeled into the development of a developed society, sapping what is valuable, our ingenuity, intelligence, strength, and grit, and leaving us, Nigerians, with metaphoric chains round our necks in the name of taxes, bills, and policies. It is fast becoming hard to be a Nigerian operating globally because of the stigma attached to the name. Lots of identity checks, scrutiny, and unnecessary delays affecting both the righteous and the not so. We have seen the elephant in the room, but instead of facing it with pure ferocity, ingenuity, and shared strength, we have decided to flee or subject ourselves to global fraudulent activities in the name of survival. It is glaring that we have the strength, ingenuity, and will to keep the world on their heel with searchlights and sniffer dogs, looking for our next moves. Now it is time to redirect our energy towards the betterment of our nation, reclaiming strength for our crippled naira and redeeming our name in the global stage. If the problem is a weakened naira, then the question should be, how can our currency regain strength? The answer: more productivity that will bring value and relevance in the areas that affect our well-being. Every human has three major needs: food, clothing, and shelter, all embedded in the old, dusty, often overlooked truth: the ground beneath our hustle. The ground beneath our hustle holds more treasures than we can ever exhaust. It was created by God Almighty, and since it has outlived every empire and emperors, yet still valuable. It is so unique that you can't get a duplicate of a particular piece of the earth. It is immovable, scarce, and whoever owns a piece of it owns treasures beyond counting. While everything else loses value, land remains one of the few legit assets that silently grows amidst severe currency devaluation and global tension. There are lots of real estate companies in town, but the values that are tied up in land cannot be overemphasized. It holds the truths that we have been searching for abroad. It is the platform for the manifestation of greatness. Even the intelligent people touring the space and galaxy still have their base on the ground. There is no running away from it. Land is quietly creating millions. Rural lands are turning into urban gold. The price of underdeveloped land is rising faster than salaries. Still, many of us are busy chasing income, not realizing the ground beneath our hustle hold more value than our daily grind. If we ever hoped of redeeming the nation, we should start by seeing the ground beneath our hustle differently. If we want to reclaim strength for our currency, we should start planting wealth on the ground with shared vision, strength, and ingenuity instead of fleeing from it. The goal is not to stop hustling, but to look beyond beyond the surface and start building empires from the derivatives of the ground beneath our hustle. Nigerians, my brothers and sisters, it is time to reclaim national power of a broken system through the strength of our back with pure common sense and shared values. It is time to stand up to the bullies trying to put economic chains around our necks, all because we have outsourced our productive capacities for temporary gains. It is time to build legacies justly and foster a stronger and better Nigeria together. It is my hope that this book finds fertile hearts in the midst of our young people and push us toward a greater future, one that is not tied abroad or dependent on the emotions or actions of a single person or group at the helm of affairs. One that is so resilient and formidable because of the active commitment to harnessing the treasures embedded in the ground beneath our hustle. This book is about rethinking what assets truly are. It is about unplugging from rat race survivor and plugging into legacy, freedom, and the kind of wealth that will cause others to envy. Let's dig deeper.